Talk Up Youth, brought to you by National Baking Company in association with TVJ and the Jamaica Observer, a Stanley and Empress production.
I always felt comfortable wearing my brother's clothes. My mom used to eat my feet. She used to try to beat the tomboy out of me. Or so she say. When I was in high school, I tried to conform wearing them dress and thing. But it never feel right. I never knew I was gay until a next girl and me start talk at school. That day I had my first kiss. And I never felt more alive.
Welcome to Talk Up Youth, where we help Jamaican youth shatter the silence and talk up about their issues. Jamaican masculinity, although highly revered, is at question. Or is it at question? We have fought hard to burn out certain activities. We have even sung about it, raised hell about the be men. But let's keep it real and talk about the hard-hitting reality for some of our young males. How are they struggling between heterosexuality and homosexuality? We now speak with Ryan, who has been through his own trials and tribulations and can inform us firsthand as to what goes through a young gay man's mind right here in Jamaica. Let's just so the viewers know.
Yeah.
You define yourself, how old are you now?
18.
18. You define yourself as a Jamaican male who is a homosexual. Are you gay? Are you heterosexual? We're dealing with sexuality in our boys. How do you define yourself at 18?
Exactly. I had, up to the point where I was being called names and I had a problem with it. I was nothing. I was
just a
virgin.
Okay.
You know what I
right.
mean? So I didn't even know how female or men look naked more than myself, even at 14 years old. And up until the point where I'm actually like establishing myself as gay or homosexual, that is the time when I just defined myself as gay. I didn't say I'm bisexual or I'm this, it is what I am. You know what I mean? So I was okay with it because at least I knew who I was. I was no longer questioning, am I just a boy or am I a girly boy? You know what I mean? I just define myself as Ryan and I'm gay. Gay.
Well, one thing that we know that as boys begin to grow, when they get to about 12, a lot of times the father figure is not as close to, because a lot of Jamaican men are homophobic. So they no longer hug their son, they no longer have that kind of bonding with them. So sometimes that creates problem for them. Their son wants that kind of relationship and they're not getting it from home, so they start to seek it outside. And it might be just a male person who they've met who seems to just be nice and warm, and then later on now it becomes that predatory kind of a relationship. And some of them don't know how to get out of it.
But this is also pedophilia too. When we talk about these young men.
It depends on the age.
Depends on the age.
Below 13, it is. But if they're older than 13, then it's not. But it's also against the law.
Carnal abuse and other things.
So we have to be sure.
Them say we live in a homophobic society. Yet everywhere we look, we see man in a tight pants, weave ear nail polish, face high in the bleach ranks. Burn them out of ranks. You call him B man, girly man, so much discrimination in a Jalan.